Hey, Clay,
Huh?
we picked up a new ride.
Did you get a new motorcycle?
No, smaller.
An e-bike?
Smaller.
A scooter?
Yeah, but not any scooter. We picked up a Hovsco Porto Max seated scooter.
Well, let's go riding.
This is Hovsco's budget-friendly seated scooter, coming in at a price of $449. And today, we're checking it out. So when you purchase your Hovsco Porto Max scooter, it'll come in this box and this box. And the scooter comes in at 43 pounds, so we should just be able to lift it right up out of the box. You just get a good grip on it here. There we go. Man, check it out. All right. Comes with an accessory box. Inside has tools for assembly. Here's our battery charger. Time to remove some packing. No suspension on this ride. It does have rubber tires with air though. It says here, check your tires. More packing. Here around the handlebar assembly. Remove the seat. And now the actual handlebars. We need to remove the basket. Open the clamp here and we'll install the seat and adjust it later. Install the handlebar assembly. We need to tighten this bolt. Raise the foldable handlebar and clamp it into place. Now we'll install the actual bars, and it looks like we have to secure it with 6 screws. We need to remove these screws so we can attach the basket here to the rear. All right, that's ready. Back to the tires, they have a maximum 40 PSI. I'm gonna roll with 35 pounds, front and back. Brake levers for the mechanical brakes. Here's our throttle. To turn on the display by holding this button, shows our battery level, our speed, and which of the 3 modes we're in. It defaults to the medium mode, which will get you up to 12 miles per hour. Press it twice, and it moves to the high mode, which will get us up to 19 miles an hour. Tap some more, and you'll find the low setting, which will get us up to 4 miles per hour. To manually turn on the headlight, press the button again, and there's the light. It will also turn on automatically when you ride in low light conditions. The rear only has a reflector, no light here. Front and rear wheels have disc brakes. The scooter has 12-inch wheels. Plastic fenders on the front and rear as well. A 36-volt, 350-watt motor with a 500-watt peak. A grocery getter basket. A cushioned seat with a small absorber underneath. Yeah. And here's where we adjust the seat. And underneath is the internal 36-volt, 10.4 amp-hour battery. And the website says it has a 35-mile range. The platform for our feet. A port to charge the battery. And again, our handlebars fold down, making it easy to store and transport. I mean, this thing actually fit in the trunk of a car. All I had to do was remove the seat, fold down the handlebars, and place it in the trunk. And each product Hovsco sells comes with its own individual app. And here again are the specs for the Porto scooter. Everything here we need to know. All right, let's try this bad boy out here on the beach. All right, I got it wide open right now. I got their app going. Let's see, we're showing 10 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour on the speedometer. I don't think you can see that because it's so bright out here. Such a beautiful day here at the beach. And what a great place to be riding in a little e-scooter. 11 miles an hour. Very good. Yeah, this is some packed sand. The tide is out, as you can probably see. The tide is out. All right, I'm gonna put it in high mode. All right, 15. Throttle's wide open. Thing's actually pretty smooth. 16 miles an hour. GPS is showing 17. And again, I'm 5'11", 175 pounds, so it'd probably get on up to, with Clay doing it, it'd probably get up to 19 miles an hour. But who cares? I'm certainly not out for speed when you get one of these. Just want to sort of take it easy, relax, and enjoy the ride and get to where you want to go, nice and safely. I mean, this is a budget-friendly, small, lightweight scooter to get you rolling, man. Let's try this out. Let's try to break it out. Not bad, not bad. I didn't want to lock up the wheels, but you can certainly lock them up on the beach here. All right, we're back up to 15 already. All right, let's have some fun.
This is my first time riding an e-scooter and I am absolutely loving it. Okay, so I got it on medium mode, which will take you up to 12 miles an hour. I don't know if you can see this, but I have it full throttle, and this is just perfect for cruising on the beach. I am loving this. I got 12-inch tires, certainly not made for the thick sand, but it does very good on this packed beach. So it has dual disc brakes, and I'm gonna see how it does on this sand. Here we go. Oh, nice. I actually wear a size 6.5, and as you can see, I have plenty space for my foot. I love this scooter, y'all. The color is gorgeous too. And there's nothing like riding on this beautiful Atlantic Ocean. Look at the water, blue and green. Gosh, it's gorgeous out here.
Guys, that's our ride and review of the Hovsco Porto e-scooter. What did you think about it?
I absolutely loved it. For me, it was just perfect. I'm short, so the height, the seat, the leg area, everything, the speed, everything was just perfect for me. I absolutely loved it. How about you?
You saw me. I had a great time on it, so I was cutting up. I just had a great time. We're out here riding on the beach with it. You know, it's not designed for big fluffy sand, but on packed beach, it worked fine today. Maybe the large and tall, big and tall guys, they'd be a little cramped on something like this because it's, you know, just because of how it's designed. And this right here, they call this the grocery getter. Let me tell you, this is, I know, but this is where I'd put my towel and sunscreen and come out to the beach with a good book. Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, by the way, make sure you check out their website where they have entry-level e-bikes, folding e-bikes, cargo e-bikes, and they always have specials going on. So check out the website. The link is down below in the description.
Well, that's gonna do it for this video.
Yep. Hey, we hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, be well and stay safe.